Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This video explains how fresh strawberries create moist, soft cupcakes and why simple ingredients make the flavor stand out. For most recipes, you will want about 1 to 1.5 cups of finely chopped strawberries or a smooth puree. If you like small berry bites in your cupcakes, chop them into tiny pieces, about the size of peas. If you want an even crumb and gentle pink color, blend them into a puree instead. Spread the chopped berries or puree on a few layers of paper towels, then gently blot from the top. This pulls out extra juice that would thin your batter and turn the cupcakes dense or gummy. If you are stirring small chunks into the batter, you can toss them with a teaspoon of flour so they do not sink to the bottom while baking. Mixing the cupcake batter for a light, fluffy texture. Start with softened butter in a mixing bowl. Beat the butter and sugar together on medium speed until the mix looks pale and fluffy. This can take 2 to 3 minutes and is key for a soft crumb. Add the eggs one at a time. Mix well after each egg so the batter stays smooth. Stir in vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk your flour, baking powder, and salt. Add the dry ingredients to the wet in 2 or 3 parts, mixing on low just until combined. If your recipe uses milk or buttermilk, add it in turns with the dry mix. Stop as soon as the batter looks smooth. Overmixing works the gluten in the flour and can turn cupcakes tough. Gently fold in the strawberries at the end with a spatula. The batter should be thick but scoopable and lightly pink. It should hold its shape on a spoon, not run like pancake batter. Baking, cooling and storing your strawberry cupcakes. Heat your oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line a muffin pan with paper liners and fill each cup about 2/3 full. This gives the cupcakes room to rise without spilling over. Bake for around 16 to 20 minutes. Ovens vary, so start checking a little early. The tops should spring back lightly when touched, and a toothpick in the center should come out clean or with a few soft crumbs, not wet batter. Let the cupcakes cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then move them to a wire rack. If they sit in the pan too long, the bottoms can steam and turn rubbery. Once fully cool, you can frost them. Unfrosted cupcakes keep at room temperature for about 2 days in an airtight container. If your kitchen is warm or your frosting has fresh cream or cream cheese, store them in the fridge for up to 4 days. You can also freeze unfrosted cupcakes, well wrapped, for up to 2 months, then thaw at room temperature before decorating. Frosting ideas, simple toppings, and easy flavor twists. The right frosting and a few easy decorations turn simple strawberry cupcakes into something special for any event. Best frosting for strawberry cupcakes, creamy buttercream or light whipped topping. Strawberry buttercream gives strong berry flavor and a rich, creamy texture. You can mix in pureed strawberries or, for stronger taste without extra liquid, use a spoonful of freeze-dried strawberry powder. This type of frosting holds its shape well on the cupcake and handles room temperature better than whipped cream. Vanilla buttercream is a classic choice if you want the cupcake itself to be the star. It is sweet, smooth, and sturdy, perfect for packing or parties. For a lighter option, sweetened whipped cream frosting feels airy and not too heavy. It is great for summer, but it softens fast, so keep cupcakes chilled until just before serving. Chilling your mixing bowl and cream helps whipped frosting thicken faster and stay stable a bit longer. Cute decorating ideas and flavor twists for any occasion. You do not need special tools to make pretty strawberry cupcakes. Try simple touches like a swirl of frosting spread with the back of a spoon, a fresh strawberry slice or small whole berry on top, a sprinkle of pastel jimmies or sanding sugar, or a thin drizzle of melted chocolate across the frosting. For flavor twists, keep the changes small and simple. Chocolate strawberry cupcakes, replace a little flour with cocoa powder and top with chocolate or strawberry frosting. This part covers the key elements that make strawberry cupcakes tender, flavorful and naturally pink. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.